we pledge ourselves
to
liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets. I do road this a crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time. All who day I won't ghost on the tear and the other face tough time.
That's what it.
Just hold up your head and nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say never the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The long term of success will feature. Life prison don't give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
The way all me wall up my head, you should have want kiss my foot. Come a bin should have skin out my nice fat pussy. Enough ears left in it. Me should have take. What me say? Me should have take fucking on my hole. After all this boy come down and brawl face I come style me. Make girl come style me. Eh? For your old dirty man. And I walk around to Instagram how convenient all this year about happy birthday Bella. Happy birthday Bella. Can't put wife cause what you promise girl. And this that she not even know.
Why? Me don't know if it's about that woman, yeah. Cause me listen to her, you know. My brother, you know, link me up from down in the 90s and he must say, yo, countryman. Boy, you listen to the Matterhorn thing, dog. And I say, yeah. And me listen to it, you know. And when me listen to it, me I say, Jano, that woman ya upset, dog. Me I wonder where Tony Matterhorn could have do her. And then when me keep on listening to it, you know me realize that young lady are disrespectful. Yo, that girl ya, me no wrong Matterhorn for leave her, me know I'm baby mother. But I one of the most disrespectful woman me ever hear in a long time. And you see me no like woman we go on like that.
It's not me, but guess what? Them took wickedness can't done. Eh? Wickedness can't done. Me have enough. Me had enough. Me attack. Cause none of them big man friend them now and tell him no, go have some respect. Even if you're done, have a little respect and leave with class. Go file a divorce. No, you're not file no divorce. You're just out here. And I listen to the little boy ask me questions.
Now, the more we listen to it, and the more me I will talk about it. I will say me never want to talk about this thing, but more make her know that anybody can file a divorce. You don't have to sit and wait for Tony Matterhorn to go file the divorce. You should go file the divorce if you want a divorce. So obviously, it seems like you don't want a divorce.
But talk to the boy act like him better than me. Nigga, I'm out your fucking league. You hear me? I'm out of your league. Go suck your mama. Go suck out Miss Maggie. Cause all of them coerce you and put you for disrespect me. Go suck out your mama. You hear me say go suck out Miss Maggie pussy. Just like how the boy Craft tell you go suck your real mother. Go suck your real mother. Yeah. Go suck out your real mother Matterhorn. Tony Matterhorn. Go suck out your real mother.
You see that bumbo cloud girl, yeah? Matterhorn, me no mean to gel up your woman or your wife. She don't have no respect for you. You hear she tell you, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother pussy. And she tell you all sort of dirty word. And she bring this on the internet. On a private life. You understand? My youth, if I me like you, I'm gonna go back to that woman there. One Sometime me have a woman you know when me there with up north, and me I talk to my friend them and she come behind me and ring my bum buckle at ears and I pull me like I am her son. And me have to tell her I go suck her blood clot mama and cut pon her straight up. You understand? Certain things me not join. Me is a man, me know how to take care of a woman. You understand? And at the same time, some woman don't know how to take care of a man. Listen, you see, me I tell the woman them something. Women, you see, men don't cheat because of sex. And never say it raw. Men don't cheat because of pussy. Usually why a man cheat is because of your attitude, the way you talk to him. You understand? Now, you know many of my friends them tell me say, them woman tell them, suck them out, suck out them pussy in front of people, in front of kids. You see them kind of thing there, me not put up with it. Not because you marry the youth and you help him achieve certain things. You understand? That no mean you own him and you have to disrespect him. If you no want there with him, he no want there with you. You say your pussy good. A lot of guys are out there. Move on with your life. You have good pussy, you say it no rev out. You understand? Make deal with him, son, and keep it moving. Now, the speech where you make, it shows you're very vindictive. And we watch a video today on Cool TV.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let us introduce you to our incredible product. We have beautiful, high-quality, motivational wristbands for sale. Our wristbands definitely create that bond between the purchaser and the causes that they represent. We have our special edition African American wristbands that can be proudly worn with dignity. We also have additional wristbands that symbolize important awarenesses such as autism, breast cancer, sickle cell anemia, anti-bullying, anti-child abuse, anti-domestic violence, anti-gun violence, mental health awareness, etc. Be sure to support us by placing your order and sharing this valuable information with family members and friends. Thank you in advance for your patronage.
You can't hide under nowhere Spain Town. Cause with a Mobile versus Spain Town, go suck your real mother and go suck out your girl Tashana. Dirty Matterhorn. Tony Matterhorn. Yeah. Dirty man. Benefits them way up. Eh? You don't get. You're citizens now, you're hot. Bumbuckler badness. None of them now make me look over my shoulder. 2.5 years me dey pressure me brain in a nursing school. While him out here fuck for Jamaica. Girl a Coral Springs everywhere him a go come for the fat pussy. No, him a cheat. She not special. But as she a claim Mrs. Taylor. And a come at me. And then boy fly and go preserve and set girl a yard. Like papers put on for she. Cause she can only go Germany. Go suck out your real mother.
On the video, we got the same vindictiveness that the man kill him woman. You understand? For no reason. You see, sometimes she can't get along. Take a break. But that lady, Matterhorn wife, let me tell you guys, she is focusing on herself. On how she feels and what she wants. And if she don't get her way, she flip. Like the girl will ring up me ears. So Matterhorn, me I support you. Me hear you do a video today. Me not watch it yet. I am going to watch it and I'm going to talk about it. I must say, when I start this video, I listen to this girl, cause I'm not playing no more video now. I'm not playing anymore. When me listen to her, at first me kinda did feel sorry for her. Me even called my own boy and I said, Jono, me feel sorry for that woman, I can't do where she sound. But then as the video starts to go, and then when you hear her real self come out, you have to say, wow, can you imagine living with a woman like that? And that's how I'm gonna leave this video. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. But I support Matterhorn. You don't have to report to nobody. A one person report on a God my youth. Nobody don't warn you. Get back your self-esteem. You understand? Cause you probably lose your self-esteem over the years and through you have to go through certain things. Get back your self-esteem, my youth, and do what you have to do. You understand? You can love her from afar. I'm out.